Hello everybody. Now we are just going to see what is meant by agents. We know what is meant by artificial intelligence and what is the intelligence. Artificial means what, and intelligence means the thing. What are the things we have seen, right? So now we are just going to see what is meant by agent. Agent. What are the functionalities of this agent? Let me see in detail about it. AI-enabled device with sensor generally captures information from environment, set up and process the data for further action. Two ways agents interact with the environment, such as perception and action. The person is the only passive for capturing the information without changing the actual environment, whereas action is the active form of interaction by changing the actual environment. So agent, imagine agent is a robot, right? It just sees the environment and act based on the environment, based on the situation or based on the environment. What is the thing that is going on at the time? It just acts based on that. That intelligence has to be incorporated in the machine. That has to take decision, right? So that decision has to be taken only through this agent. So that can be done by using all those concepts we have seen in the earlier slides, right? What is about the learning, reasoning, all those things. So agent has to take decision that can be based on the situation of in the particular environment, right? That is the thing the agent is functionality is about. So we can also say that it is a study of rational agent and its environment. The agent sends through the environment through sensors and act on their environment through activators. So the agent through cameras, it just sends what are the things that is getting happen through sensors, right? And based on that sensing information, it just act in the environment through activators, through action or through activators. That can be example we can say that self-driving. So without a human, an agent or a machine can able to drive a car, right? So that can be taken as an example for an agent. A agent can have mental properties like knowledge, belief, intention, etc. So it has some properties like knowledge, belief. It has knowledge like a human. So we said artificial intelligence, which means of man-made thinking power. So whatever the power is having for a human, same like a machine should have. So that mental properties, mental thing, whatever the thing we have for a human, right? It also machine should have all those things like knowledge, like belief, like taking a decision in a complex situation, all those things. So it can make a decision only through sensors and acting upon through activators, right? This is what about agent introduction. Let me see what is about agent. Agent can be anything that perceive environment through sensors and act upon that environment with the help of activators. This can be several types. Human agent, we can also say it as a variety of classification of agent, right? Human agent, robotic agent, software agent, right? So human agent, which are all the categories that comes under human agent, you know, eyes, ears and other organs for sensors. Whereas if we say that this agent is a robotic agent, we can say that as cameras as sensors, infrared range finders, these are all the robotic agent. Whereas software agent, we can say keystrokes takes input, that is we can name it as sensors, and display output, right? These are all about what is meant by agent. So agent is very important terminologies we must want to know in an artificial intelligence, where the thing it is alone going to act in an environment based on the situation through sensors and activators, right? So it can be of several types. So that the next thing we are just going to see is what is meant by sensors. Sensors which detects the change in the environment and sends the information to other electronic device. We are just saying eye is a sensor. Eye is a sensor for human. If it is a human agent, eye is a sensor. And if there is a machine, how we can make the machine sensing those information in the particular environment? That can be send the information to electronic device. Through those electronic device, the sensor information is getting changed, depends upon the environment, and sends the information to other electronic devices, right? That is what the sensor in terms of artificial intelligence. What is meant by actuator then? Which converts energy into motion. So we know actuator, which is nothing but action that are taking place in the particular environment, right? So what are all the information it sends, right, in a particular environment? What are all the information it sends? It just convert all those thing into motion. Motion means which is nothing but moving. So say for an example, the agent is walking around, and if it is sensed the particular in the particular environment, there is going to be a pit. It sends the information. So by reaching a half a kilometer, I'm going to see a pit, right? So once if I see a pit over there in a particular environment, I should take an action, either move forward or move backward, right? So this process of making a decision that has to be gone through in a particular machine, and that can be done only using sensor and actuators, right? So that is what the sensor is about. Detects change in the environment and sends the information to other electronic device. What this device will do? It stores the information, and it will helpful for when the action taken place. And through the sequence of information, the action may get vary in the environment. And what is about effectors, which affects the environment, and it can be legs, wheels, arms, fingers, and display screen. Example, a very well known example, the self-driving car, right? So here we can take a diagrammatic representation. We can say environment, say for an example road. So agent will be here is car. So agent, here we can perceive that car is an agent. What it will do? So it just traveling in a road. It perceives, it's sensing all those things whichever in the environment, that such as road, and through activators and through action, we can also say it as through action, it just taken place driving the car in the particular environment in a smooth way. And if there is anything right or wrong thing happens in the particular environment, the car, or we can also say that agent has to take right decision, even if it is a complex problem, right? Are you getting? I think even if it is a complex problem over while driving a car in particular environment or particular road, by having a sequence of information, sequence of action through percepts, through sensing the information, it has to activate, it has to play in a manner, to decision has to be taken in a manner, the car should not get damaged, no one should get affect in the particular environment. So these are all the these are all the goal that has to keep it in mind, the agent. In order to achieve a goal, this has to take place in a smooth manner. So in such a way, the machine has to be programmed, right? This is what the agent, a rough idea about what is about agent with an example. Thank you.